morning, what are you up to?
I am preparing for an afternoon of cooking.
Are you? Well, as it's nearly Valentine's Day,
Yes.
fancy a quickie?
Ooh.
Well, if you don't fancy a quickie, well, it is a quickie. Fancy a French kiss?
It's all getting a bit
Ooh
much
la la,
now.
zoot la lore.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, hi everybody. We are going to do a cocktail. We haven't done a cocktail since Christmas.
Wow.
I know, it's been a while. So we're going to do a French kiss cocktail. Can you say that with a lisp? Come on.
French kiss cocktail.
Kelly's got a very slight lisp on something. Yeah, I edit, I notice. So we're going to do a French kiss cocktail because we can, and it's nearly Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
You're doing a couple of recipes today, which will probably already been on the channel due to the way we edit these things.
Yeah, we're not doing, they're not Valentine's recipes. We were going to do a lovely Valentine's meal, weren't we?
We were, yeah. We even got the,
We even got nice
heart candles and everything.
Yeah,
Lovely.
It turns out that we're actually not going to be here on
Not going to be here on Valentine's Day, are we?
So we might actually get a meal out, which might be even nicer,
You
because
never
that means
know.
I don't have to cook it.
But you might not get a French kiss.
I might not.
Well, not this anyway. So, welcome to Cocktail Corner, everybody. Welcome to Big Old World. Let's get cracking, shall we?
Go on then.
So, in a cocktail shaker with ice in your cocktail shaker already, I'm pre-prepared.
Who's pre-prepared?
Well, you're
Me,
prepared.
thank you.
You're supposed to make it pretend like you didn't know we were doing it, all right? So, take your Chambord. We are using Chambord. Fantastic bottle and fantastic
Love
box,
the little,
actually. I mean, they do dress these things up really well.
I love the little top thing.
They're very cool,
Yeah.
aren't they? They're like fancy perfume bottles.
Yeah.
They're actually black. It's a black raspberry liqueur, and it's from the Loire Valley.
Oh, and it smells delish.
Okay, it's very good. It's about, was it about £9 a bottle?
£8
£8
it was.
a bottle. So this is the only most expensive thing, really, I guess. Saying that, we've got fizz in it as well. 30 mils of that per person.
So we're doing 2, so we need 60.
We do.
In.
To that, add the same quantity of gin. We're using a Tanqueray gin at the moment because that's what we've got. But London dry gin is fine, any kind of those. So 60 mils of gin. Lovely. You have to be deadly accurate after the cocktail.
No, you do have to be deadly accurate. That's the whole point of cocktails. If you're not accurate, they don't come out right.
Well, after the first 2 or 3, you don't have to be deadly
Well,
accurate.
you don't really care at that point.
So, pop on your lid. Give it a shake. Make sure that top's on.
Yeah, I'll do that then.
There you go. It says shake for about a minute, but hey. While you're doing that, I'll manhandle a bottle of fizz. Not very well, probably, know what I mean.
Got enough nails to get them off?
I have got nails today, yeah. There you go.
This is now very cold.
That's the plan. So, what you do now is you pop a couple of raspberries. You got my glasses out, sorry, safety goggles. Always be protected at all times during Valentine's Day. A couple of raspberries. They should be frozen, but we haven't had time to get them from the shop and freeze them. A couple of raspberries in each one. Now, you're supposed to now split the drink into those. There's probably quite a lot of this, actually. So just kind of share it around. Lovely. So there's your kind of sweet and powerful liqueur-y base, I guess you could say that. Now, to that, we're going to top it up with either champagne or Prosecco, bottle of Pommain. Remember Pommain from the 70s? No, probably not Pommain, all right? But the whole point now is to just top it up with fizz, and then we're done, okay? Nothing too fancy in this, but it's just, I think because it's pink.
Yeah.
Likes it. Chambord is brilliant for doing pink
things.
Sort of drinks, so good for Valentine's Day. I'm very, very careful here. There we go. Okay, always do it at an angle.
Yes, sir.
Always back the angle. I know. Oh, the double entendre I could do here. Okay, so we're going to top these up. Take your time, because obviously they're going to take a little while to do. We don't want spillage, do we, love?
No spillage. Don't want no mess.
Don't want bubbling over, do we? So we're going to take a couple of pictures of these. Give a slight stir, okay? Obviously, again, be careful.
Perfect.
And then we'll give it a taste.
Don't think we actually need to stir them. They look lovely.
Yeah, they may not. But we do need a picture though.
Okay.
Right, they're done. Give them a try. I have taken the photograph, the obligatory thumbnail. Oh. Cheers, darling. Love you very much.
Love you too.
Happy Valentine's.
Thank you very much.
Happy Valentine's Day to everyone who celebrates. And if you don't, just have fun and enjoy it.
Yeah, if you don't do Valentine's, you could do Galentines apparently now.
Galentine's, that sounds good. Do you drink a gallon of stuff?
No, that's your girlfriend's. Like,
oh, I see.
That's,
okay.
You know, being loved up with friends.
Politically
like,
correct.
not loved up, but, you know, like loving your friends.
Friendentines.
Galentines.
That is very nice.
Yeah.
Is it to you?
If I'm honest, it's a bit dry for me.
Yeah, I was going to say. The Chambord is sweet.
Yeah.
But it's not not massively sweet.
No,
it's a
not
liqueur, but
overly
obviously there's not that much in it. And obviously you've got quite a lot of gin in it, may take that bitterness. I would say for you, add a bit of sugar syrup.
That is just a bit dry for me.
Yeah. And again, if you were using champagne, that'd be the same issue. If you're using Asti, could have used Asti Spumanti.
Yeah, that would have been lovely.
That would have been perfect because it's sweet. Just a personal taste thing.
It is a personal taste
And obviously
thing.
a lot of people like champagne being the dryness,
Yeah.
and the dryness in
And
this.
a lot of people love their dry, you know, dry wines and
Have you
all
got
that
any
sort of stuff.
lying around? I think there's
Any
some
what
in our-
lying around?
sugar syrup.
Oh yeah, I've got a bit of sugar
Go
syrup.
on, pop it on. There we go. As you can see, we don't do small amounts of sugar syrup in this house. Kelly does like sweet things, don't you? Give that a little shush about.
Little
Taste it again.
swivel.
So, like I said, you don't have to splash out dramatically and use the best champagne. This is a mix.
No, we used Prosecco, which came free
It did.
from the
It
co-op
was free from the co-op in a meal deal, wasn't
in a
it?
meal dough.
Nothing wrong with that. But again, if you're using Asti Spumanti, which is fantastic and sweet,
That's a bit
if you
better.
like sweet stuff, try it that way. Yeah,
That's
good.
much better. Do you want to try it sweet?
Yeah, I
Just,
can understand
it's
why.
only a tiny little bit sweeter,
Yeah.
but it is better.
If you like it dry, do it the original way. That's a French kiss, everybody.
Do you know what it is coming up this week? I know we're a bit
What's
early
that?
for Valentine's Day, but it is like the week building up to Valentine's. Do you know this week, me and you have been living together for 12 years.
I know. Feels like a lifetime.
12 years?
But that's actually, I mean that in a good way, not in a feel like a lifetime. We're still going to be here for Valentine's Day, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Good.
12 years. I
Okay.
reckon I deserve some sort of medal or something.
Probably
too.
do. That's longer than most of my marriages.
Well, there you go.
All of my marriage, I'm not sure.
We've been married 10 years this year.
That's true. We digress. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. This was supposed to be a quickie video. Ooh, glad it wasn't a short. Could never be a short with me.
Oh, I don't know.
What a candle.
We could do 2 shorts and have a cup of tea.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great Valentine's Day, and obviously, if you're celebrating it, and just enjoy with your family. If you're not,
If not, join me this afternoon. I'm doing some more cooking.
yeah. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Please subscribe.